In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon at the top left corner. Now select Clipboard to access it, and as you can see, nothing is here. To add a sentence or a word to your clipboard, you need to cut it or copy it. Then go back to Clipboard and tap on your chosen word or a sentence. Then select Paste on the left. If you wish to delete your word from Clipboard, click on it and hit Delete. To go back to standard keyboard, click on top left or right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!